By default, it just happened with Ulihle overheard a conversation where Udintle was declaring that nanoma this man, he's out of my league, does not get paid well, Standard Sek is not well, he is still the man that I'm going to be with, and I'm not planning to go anywhere else without this man. We are couple goals, mina naye, I love him. And that was so hurting for her to listen to, and then she decided to go to Ubabuake to tell him, Uguti, it does not matter what people have to say about you, I still love you. And I think Ulihle is trying to fight her mother's battles, and ubaba agaboni nix. Kahle kahle ubaba yena uzithandela uDintle, and so be it. Like ungathi ufaka amaklepisi nje. He is not about that life, and he does not see how much uzolimaza umndeni wakhe. And what pains me more than anything is the fact that after this thing does not work with Udintle, he will go running back home to the family that loves him, and he has abandoned them and said, "Ngiyaxolisa, ngenze iphutha, ngiyanithanda, yini, ningathi angishongo." Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanibonani, Abshane Molweni, minjani? Ifikile hingongwina. Ask me. So, as I thought, Kgopulo was 10 steps ahead of Mthunzi Lutho. Umthunzi is 17 steps ahead of Kgopulo. He went and stole ifonu kaBabSMD, and then the bank called, and then he told the bank that no, he's no longer interested. It was a mistake, and we move on. It's not something that he's looking for, to have a private banker. Then now, uBabSMD looks around for his phone, he couldn't find it, and then jiggy pata pata, when Mthunzi was there, the phone is found. Now Mthunzi calls him pretending to be a banker. Wachaja izumbulu zemali. Babsemitima was like, no, this is not about me. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not about that life. And I'm just here. I'm like, yo, the writer is killing us. Sisazotrega nalento lena. When Mthunzi keeps on winning and winning and winning and winning, and then the punishment yakhe is gonna be 2 seconds. Oh, guy, yini, yeah.